Yo dudes!
Welcome to Vegan Kung Pao in not 4 minutes, not 10 minutes, but 5 minutes.
Okay, there are two of us. It might take you slightly longer, but the whole purpose of this is to show that healthy food can be delicious, quick, and incredibly tasty.
Okay, I'm going to turn this on for, I want the heat actually high. Okay, I'm going to turn that on. That's the only thing that I'm doing. Okay, we haven't started yet. Kung Pao is a super tasty dish. It's got a really delicious sauce. We're making with tofu.
From the Szechuan
rice.
area of China, and here we go. Ready, on your marks, get set, go! Okay, pan is on a medium-high heat. I have 2 red chilies.
Quite calm. Okay, I'm going in with a tablespoon of oil. You could make this oil-free if you wanted. Absolutely fine.
So, this is from the Szechuan area of China, and typically a dried red chili is used. However, these are too spicy for our delicate Irish palate. So, we are using a fresh chili which we have taken the seeds out of.
We've got a few chilies. There's about like 6 there.
Yes, we want quite a little.
That's like 6. Loads for us.
Okay, we got a little bit of Szechuan black pepper. We want with about half a teaspoon. Go with more if you want.
What's the difference between Szechuan and normal black pepper?
It's a slightly different pepper that has just more pang to it. Wow.
Is that why it's called Kung Pao?
Well, I don't really know, but
Could be.
anyway, okay, we're gonna fry that down for a...
Wow. We're nearly like a minute gone already.
Okay, right.
I feel like we're in slow speed.
Okay, let's crank it up a little bit. Okay, right. We've got ginger. We've got about a 2 centimeter cubed piece of ginger, which we chopped finely. Excuse us.
3 cloves of garlic prepped. In it goes. This might realistically, if you've got to prep these, this might be like an 8-minute dinner. So we are doing our best here. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna fry that off. The reason why it's a medium heat is because we don't want our garlic to burn and brown too much. So now time to make our sauce. Into our sauce we have
2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
If you don't have brown sugar, could I use white sugar?
Yes, absolutely. Or you could use maple syrup if you want. It just has a little more texture in it.
2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. In it goes 2 tablespoons of mirin. If you don't have mirin, just replace it with red wine vinegar. It is a kind of white wine vinegar made
with alcohol.
Yeah, typically.
2 teaspoons of cornstarch.
This is going to just give that nice viscosity.
You could use flour or arrowroot or anything if you don't have cornstarch.
And then our dear friend, we have 5 tablespoons of tamari. If you don't have tamari, you could use soy sauce.
And there's 2 tablespoons of water.
In it goes. Take a whisk and whisk. Okay, that's all fried enough. Now we've got our tofu. We have about 200 grams of tofu. In it goes.
3 minutes left. 3 minutes, folks. So we've got decent chunks of tofu. I want to sear and cook this down for 1 minute at a high heat, not height, just to sear it and seal it.
So if you don't know what searing means, it means to brown the outside so it's sealed, so it creates a little bit of crust and stops sauce from penetrating in further.
Wow, fascinating. Talk us through some of the other ingredients.
Okay, other ingredients. We have 40 grams of peanuts. These are salted peanuts. If you don't have peanuts and you're allergic to them, just use almonds. If you're allergic to nuts, just use sunflower seeds.
Could I use cashew nuts?
Of course you could, absolutely.
Okay, great.
We've got a little bit of pak choy here to finish our dish. Oh, it's starting to look good.
It is. And we've got 250 grams of rice. You could use brown rice, white rice, whatever kind of rice you want.
Yeah, very good. Okay, this is our bowl. We're going to serve it in. This is starting to come together. Right.
2 minutes left. 2 minutes left.
Tofu, you'll see right here. You see the way it's starting to sear and look a little bit brown. I think it looks great.
The pan is so hot.
We're going to go in with about 3/4 of our sauce initially. Don't worry about the explosiveness. Just keep it moving. You really want to coat each bit of tofu with that. Ooh, nice. It's going all glazy.
Well, it really is going sticky.
Oh, that's lovely. Let's go in with our greens. And go our greens.
Geez, this is happening. This is on, folks.
So as your greens start to wilt and just stick a little bit, let's go in with the rest of our sauce. Get around the top. Just keep it moving.
I kind of like that move. I thought that was.
And if it does start to stick a little bit, just have a little bit of water to go in. You know, just add it.
That's called deglazing the pan.
Yeah, I'm going to put in a few bigger leaves. Just I think they add a nice little touch of just more interest.
Beauty. Okay, what about the scallions?
Okay, we've got our peanuts. Are we doing time-wise? 40 grams of peanuts, in they go. They're going to add bite, they're going to add protein, and they're going to add a little bit of texture. Scallions here for garnish. We have a little bit of scallions, in they go. Also known as green onions, excuse us, our Irishness.
Okay, beauty. It really is a visually beautiful dish. And this probably realistically will take you 10 minutes at home, maybe even 15, but it's super tasty.
Oh yeah, wait till you try it. Okay, so
we had this yesterday for dinner and 'twas mighty.
So I'm just showing you how I played it up. So I've got 1 mug of brown rice, in it goes. Nope.
45 seconds, maybe let's take 2. You're gonna put it, try again.
Okay, let's try it again. Okay,
here we go, so you still have 40 seconds left, Steve.
Okay,
take 2.
Trick is to compress it more.
Jeez, this was easy.
How are we doing time-wise? 30.
We've got like 30 seconds.
Okay, my hands are clean just in case someone feels like... I think this is going to go everywhere again.
Oh, it really did. That was awful. Okay, right. 20 seconds. Right.
Anyway, right. Let's try to get it. Get your rice into a nice shape.
Okay, I'm turning off the heat.
Okay, let's in it
Here,
goes.
you do that because you're going to give out to me for not doing it right.
Okay, thank you.
Not that you'd ever give out to me because we live in perfect harmony all the time.
We do, absolutely.
10, 9, 8, or 6, 5, 4,
I'm keeping a little bit extra.
3, 2, 1. There we go. Kung Pao.
You could call it
Rice
kung pao
and tofu.
or stir
It's
fry.
typically a chicken-based dish, but this is obviously a vegan version. We did it in 5 minutes. It's probably going to take you 10 to 15. This is going to taste sensational.
Okay, here we go. I love this sauce. I really do, and I love getting the peanuts.
Yeah, peanut.
I'm a devil for
peanut.
the peanuts and the green.
Okay, look at that for you. Look at that. Look at the steam off it. That is class. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Kung Pao, over to you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We've got loads of 5-minute dinners.
Wow.
I know it. I had it yesterday. It was amazing for my dinner. Wow, it tastes like takeaway. Actually, even better than yesterday. There you have it.
Fair bit of heat off that. That's delicious.
Thank you for watching, and yeah, hope you cook lots of plant-based dishes because I find them really healthy and really tasty, and they're really good for the planet too. So,
And if you do want to learn more, we've loads of online courses, and they get great results, and they teach you how to cook healthy, delicious food.
yeah.
Anyway, thanks for
a lot.
watching, and sending lots of love. Bye.
Cheers, bye.